In the 12th century, the German mystic, writer, composer, and visionary Hildegard of Bingen revealed a breathtaking image of reality, the entire cosmos as living light. In her vision, she experienced God not as a distant figure but as an infinite radiance, an endless, conscious presence from which all creation flows. For Hildegard, the universe is not static or mechanical. It is alive, pulsing with divine intelligence, and every soul is a spark of this luminous presence. Her writings, especially Scivias, describe creation as the unfolding of God's awareness into form, where light becomes the bridge between spirit and matter, heaven and earth. Hildegard reported experiencing what she called the living light from early childhood, a direct perception of divine presence beyond ordinary senses. In her visions, she saw creation as an emanation of God's infinite radiance, where every being, from stars to stones, from plants to human consciousness, participates in this flow of light. This was not metaphorical for Hildegard. She believed she was perceiving the true structure of reality. The living light was not only around her but within her, illuminating her understanding of the unity between God and creation. Through this mystical awareness, she saw the cosmos as a symphony of light and life, a vast network of interconnected consciousness expressing divine creativity. Hildegard's theology places God at the heart of everything, not as an external ruler, but as the living essence present in every form. She described creation as a radiant unfolding, a dynamic outpouring of divine energy that continually gives rise to new forms of life. For Hildegard, consciousness exists everywhere, infused into the smallest particle in the largest galaxy, because everything carries the spark of the Creator's being. This vision dissolves the separation between matter and spirit. The earth, the heavens, and the human soul are threads woven into the same luminous tapestry. Her insight anticipated ideas that today resonate with holistic science, ecological spirituality, and the concept of a living, conscious universe. For Hildegard, recognizing the universe as living light is not just a cosmic truth, but a personal invitation. She believed that every human being carries within them a reflection of the divine radiance, and that spiritual practice is about awakening this inner light. Through prayer, contemplation, and harmony with nature, the soul learns to see beyond appearances and reconnect with its divine source. Hildegard taught that healing, both personal and collective, comes from restoring this alignment with the living presence of God within us and around us. By opening our awareness, we begin to perceive the same luminous flow that sustains the cosmos, discovering that we are not separate observers of life, but expressions of its radiant unfolding. To awaken to this truth is to rediscover our place within a greater whole, to sense the luminous thread connecting all existence. The more we open to the radiance of the living light, the more we realize that consciousness, creation, and the divine are not separate, they are one.